Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube recommendations. If you're not happy with the recommendation you're getting on YouTube, there are a few things you can do to try and improve them. First, you need to interact with videos. YouTube recommendation algorithm learns from your interaction. Liking, disliking, saving, or commenting on video can help YouTube understand your preferences better. Or you could also try removing your watch history. What you have to do is on the bottom right corner, there's your account. Tap on that and tap on the history which says view all over here, and in the top right corner there's a three dot icon section. Select that and simply clear all watch history. You need to select that option. And if you've been watching content that does not reflect your interest, you can remove individual video or entire watch history. This can help reset your recommendations as well. Or you could also try use not interested option. When you see a video which is on there's this three dot icon on the video, tap on that and tap on the not interested option we could see there. And this helps you to refine your recommendations as well. Or you could also subscribe the channels you enjoy, can help you to suggest more content from those channels. And if you consistently receive irrelevant recommendations, you can provide feedback to YouTube through the send feedback option in the app, right? And remember, YouTube's recommendation algorithm is complex and continually learns from your behavior, so it may take some time for your recommendations to improve based on your actions. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix YouTube recommendations. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.